Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So for today's video, it's gonna be a different one from our usual travel vlog. Since COVID-19 has spread throughout the world, there would be no more travel vlogs. I don't know when everything will go back to normal, but we are doing an unboxing today. Our unboxing today is something that I bought last week ago, and it's this Power Mac. So for our international viewers there, Power Mac is an Apple reseller because here in the Philippines we do not have an Apple store. We only have like these Apple reseller. So as you have seen from the title, today we are going to unbox the Apple fast charger. Now I've already opened it while we were at the store because we need to test it out before we leave. So I just did my best to put it back into the box, as I might say. So here are the two. This one is the USB-C to lightning cable. This is a 1 meter option and this costs 1,190 pesos. Here is the 18-watt power adapter. This is the one that is gonna do the fast charging. Now this costs 1,890 pesos. So combined, these two cost 3,080 pesos. So starting from the iPhone 8, which is my phone here, all the way to the iPhone 11 Pro and the 11 Pro Max, it supports fast charging, but Apple does not include these inside the box, so you have to buy them separately. Not until the iPhone 11 and the 11 Pro Max. They both have them in the box because Apple. And these two are very expensive for what they do. So let's open it right now and let's switch to different camera angle. So here we have switched to our unboxing mode now. So here is the box for these two. This is the 18-watt power adapter. See, 1,890 pesos. And here is the USB-C to lightning cable, 1 meter, and this is priced at 1,190 pesos. So as I told you in the video, I have already opened this at the store, so just have to pull this up. There's no more pull tabs because you're supposed to pull this, but I just did it I just removed it like that. So here is the cable itself. Now when you buy this, it comes wrapped in this, but I do not know how to wrap that back into that. So here it is, USB-C and lightning on one end. So let's set that aside. This one. This is the USB-C 18-watt power adapter. Let's open it. There we go. And here it is. You just have to pull this out, just like that. I really love how Apple packages their stuff. So nice and so neatly. So that's that. Inside you have your pamphlet and stuff, warranty information, stuff like that. Put this back into the box. Here it is. This is it. This is what you have paid for. So very simple. You just put this inside there. That's your fast charging. So let's go back to the normal camera view. So we are back at our normal camera angle, and here is basically the charger itself. Very heavy for the size of it. And as you can see, it's designed by Apple in California, basic Apple stuff. And what's fun about USB-C is that it's reversible. So if you do this, you could turn it and still plug it back in. So these come with the new iPhone, like iPhone 11 Pro and iPhone 11 Pro Max, but these are compatible with iPhone 8 until the iPhone XS. So that's that. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure you like and subscribe this video, give it a thumbs up, and yeah, peace.